Lesson Overview. A slow report is an unused report. This lesson covers the practical levers for keeping Power BI fast as data and users scale. Measure performance. With the Performance Analyzer, view Performance Analyzer. Start recording. Interact with the report, then look at the timings for each visual. DAX query time, how long the model spent computing. Visual display time, how long the visual took to render. Other, preparing the request. Anything over to 250 milliseconds for a single visual is worth investigating. Common causes of slow reports. Too many visuals per page, each one fires a query. Keep pages to 6-10 visuals. Bi-directional relationships increase query complexity. High-cardinality columns in slicers or visuals. Complex DAX nested calculates, iterators over big tables. No star schema-wide flat tables slow down everything. Efficient visuals. Avoid tables with thousands of rows rendered on screen. Use a top-end filter. Prefer standard visuals over custom ones. They're more optimized. Don't put visuals off screen. They still render and slow the page. Model optimization recap. Remove unused columns and tables. Disable auto date. Time. Use integer keys for relationships where possible. Build a proper star schema. Use aggregations for very large fact tables. Premium feature. DAX optimization. Use variables. var. Return to compute things once. Prefer divide over. To handle divide by zero cleanly. Avoid filter over a whole table when a column filter would do. Try this. Reduce dashboard load time. Open a slow-feeling report. View Performance Analyzer. Start recording. Click each visual or refresh the page. Identify the worst offender, longest DAX time. Apply one fix. Remove an unused field, simplify a measure, or convert a slicer to a dropdown. Re-record and compare timings.